Hello and welcome to tutorial number 22 in the Microsoft Visual Basic .NET Programming tutorials. And today is going to be the second operators tutorial, and we're going to learn about logical operators, which are also used in if statements. So go ahead and create a new project and call it logical operators. So there's more than two logical operators, but we're just going to cover two until you understand the concept, and then you can just Google others if you want to learn about the other ones like XOR or whatever other ones there are. So go ahead and create two text boxes and the button, and we're going to create a, a double passworded form with the first logical operator that we're going to learn. So add two text boxes and then change the text of button 1 to login. Okay, and then we'll just have a label. Please enter both passwords. And then we'll also create another form. So there's a tutorial on how to do this. If you don't understand what I'm doing right now, go and watch that tutorial. So add another form, open the design view of that form and just type passwords accepted. Okay, so now we've got that out of the way, you're going to double click the login button, and now we can start learning about logical operators. So when you used to write if statement, you would write something like if textbox1.text equals the password, then form2.show. So that would be a normal if statement that we learned last time, but now we're going to learn about the first logical operator, which is the AND. So right now, if we want to check if two conditions are true to execute our code, we'd simply type if textbox1.text equals the password and textbox2.text equals the second password, then, and it's going to show form2. Okay, so what this is saying is if textbox1 is equal to the password and textbox2 is equal to the second password, then it's going to show form2. So this means we have to enter the correct password in both of these fields to be able to see this form. So let's go ahead and play this. Okay, so in the first form we'll type the password and nothing will happen. But if we type the second password in the second text box, then form2 shows. That's just the first logical operator, and the second one is going to be the logical operator OR. Now for this, we're just going to use, we're going to just do a check to check if both text boxes are filled. So we'll click on login. Up here we'll say if textbox1.text equals, and then two quotes, and then or textbox2.text equals null, then messagebox.show you didn't fill in the fields. Alright, so what this is going to do is it's going to say, okay, if textbox1.text has no value or textbox2.text has no value, then it's going to show this. So it's going to check both text boxes to check if there's any value in them. Okay, so let's say we just put nothing, we didn't fill any fields, so we put something in here. We didn't fill any fields because there's nothing in here. And if we press this, nothing will happen because we haven't typed the passwords right. But let's say we type the password, and this is the AND one, and then we type nothing here, it's going to say you didn't fill in the fields. And then if we type the second password, and it's going to show the second form. So sorry, as I explained in a previous tutorial, right now I'm a bit tired and I'm going to start doing my other tutorials tomorrow, but I just wanted to get the operators out of the way. So now hopefully you understand conditional and logical operators. because they're very, you really need to know them in VB.NET programming. So thanks for watching, and if you need to know about any other logical operators, then just Google for VB.NET logical operators. Thanks.